This 3D printed switch is not supposed to look like this. These locking pins keep on breaking off. And I know what you're thinking, just change the print orientation. So let's try that first. I usually print these flat, but the part is weakest between the layers, so small features eventually break off. Printing it standing up like this makes it quite a bit stronger. The weak direction is now this way, so the button force pulls along the layers instead of pulling them apart. But each layer is still very small, so there isn't much surface area holding each layer together. Another option is to turn it 90 degrees and stack the layers in this direction instead. It needs quite a lot of support, but the larger layer surface area makes it about as strong as we can get it. As you can see, I can put quite a lot of force on it and it still doesn't break. That makes this part much stronger, but let's see what happens when we add graphics to the front. To do that, I just drop the model into MeshColor, load the texture and apply it to the front. Then I just need to map it to the correct colors. But now look what happens when we slice it. The print time goes from 1 to almost 9 hours. That's because instead of doing filament changes for only 5 layers, we are now doing them for almost half the print. I'm not gonna touch the enclosure, but I will make a small design change to the front plate. Hopefully that brings the print time down while keeping the same strength. To get a nice flat front like this, the part really needs to be printed like this. So I made the clips a separate part that snaps into place. As you can see, they are now super strong, and I can't see any reason that these front panels will fall off anytime soon. The top button controls the cabinet lights, the middle button controls the ceiling spots, and the bottom button controls the hanging lights. Hold it, it dims, release, it stops. Hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.